No, there indeed was a body found in the woods last night. And I am sure your eager little minds are coming up with various macabre scenarios as to what happened. But I am here to tell you that the police have a suspect in custody, which means you can give your undivided attention to the syllabus, which is on your desk outlining this semester.
Mom, 3 calls on my first day is a little overdoing it. Everything except a pen. Oh my God, I didn't actually forget a pen. Okay, I gotta go. Love ya.
Sorry to keep you waiting. So, you were saying San Francisco isn't where you grew up?
No, but we lived there for more than a year, which is unusual in my family.
Well, hopefully Beacon Hills will be your last stop for a while. Class, this is our new student, Allison Argent. Please do your best to make her feel welcome.
Thanks.
We'll begin with Kafka's Metamorphosis on page 133.